Today I'm going to show the installation of this replacement Honda hood latch. You can see where the original one was located. It broke off the end of the cable, and we're going to put on this aluminum replacement. It's got two set screws. It slides over the end of the cable. Comes with the Allen key and written instructions. So first thing you're going to need is to pop off this corner kick plate. It's going to take a regular slotted screwdriver. Some of these models have a push pin in the back, some of them don't. This one does. Got to get behind there and pop that pin out. Next step is going to be to trim the plastic back on the end of the cable. You're going to take about an inch of this plastic off. I'm going to use a regular wire cutters. You just got to nibble away at this plastic. Some people say heat makes it a little easier. I'm going to avoid that because of a fire hazard under the dash. It would be a nasty situation. This is definitely the hardest part is exposing the cable rod underneath. But a little patience, you can nibble away at this plastic. Okay, now you've got that latch. That's going to slide on. This is the way the kit comes. It comes with the latch, Allen key, and instructions. You want to tighten those set screws. You've got to line it up square, perpendicular, so it's not crooked. This is machined from aluminum, pretty thick and rugged. You can put a lot of pressure on these set screws. And that's it. You got this corner cover piece to go back on. Slides over the latch. And then you got this push pin to hold it in place. That's it. There's your new latch. You're all set. Ready to go.